Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2019 992 Carerra 4S Cabriolet we have in stock. This is just a quick video walk around showing you some of the optional features this car comes with. To begin with, you've got the gentian blue metallic paint. You've got the Carerra Classic alloy wheels. They're 20 inch at the front, 21 inch at the rear. You've got the red calipers behind. You've got the LED matrix headlights at the front of the car as well. You've also got the adaptive cruise control. You can see the radar for that at the front of the car. You can also see one of the cameras for the 360 camera system, another being shown on the wing mirror here. At the rear of the car now, you can see the more modern styling features. You've got the light bar running across. You've got the deployable rear spoiler. You've got the sports exhaust system on this car. You can see the black chrome tailpipe trim finishes. And the last exterior feature, you can see you've got the black soft top when the roof is up. Moving to the inside of the car now, the first thing you'll notice is the carbon fibre illuminated door sills with the 911 logos on. You've got the adaptive front sport seats. They're 18-way electric with the memory settings being shown on the door cards here. You've also got the Burmester high-end surround sound system on the door cards just below. Back on the seats you can see you've got the Porsche Crest logo embossed into the headrests. Your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel being shown here. You've got a close-up of the controls on the left and the right-hand side. You've also got the drive select mode being shown as well, paired with the stopwatch on the dash. Both of these part of the Sports Chrono package. On the center console now, you can see your drive selector, some of the controls for the entertainment system. You've got your heated seat controls here as well. You can see everything is made out of very high-end luxury materials. On the screen you have access to change the sports exhaust system as well as deploy the rear spoiler and access some of the Sports Chrono settings. If you'd like to see the full list of specifications or book in to take this 992 Carerra 4S for a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.